and the places that you know seem like fantasy. There's a light inside your soul that's still shining in the cold, with the truth, the promise in our hearts. Don't forget, I'm with you in the dark.
Whenever Toby needs help with his branch line, or there are too many trucks to carry, Mavis the diesel engine helps them on his line. Mavis goes from the quarry to the mainlands and carrying slate trucks full of quarried materials. There is a level crossing for vehicles to pass over the rails. Mavis had been careful around this, and she and Toby were the only ones allowed in it after Thomas found out the hard way from an accident with a policeman. One day, Mavis was just doing her job normally, when she saw up ahead a lorry was coming to the crossway. "Don't worry," said her driver. "He'll probably stop." But the lorry driver was new to the island, and he didn't know trains ran by this. It was all too late. The lorry had hit Mavis's cowcatcher, causing it to be slightly bented. The lorry had tipped onto its side. The driver had to climb out. Mavis wasn't badly hurt, but she needed to be repaired. So later that day, the Fat Controller spoke to Toby and Percy. "I need Toby to do Mavis's job since she's been injured." "But what about the trucks here, sir?" said Percy. "You will have to do extra work, Percy." But Percy and Toby knew they had to follow